Hey guys, this is Carissa from Creative Green Living, and I wanted to hop on and do a quick Facebook Live. Hopefully it'll be quick, because I got my new bed in a box from Happsy for my son's room. You can see this is his cool like tent, camping inspired bed that I've got set up behind me. And I got him an organic mattress from Happsy. Happsy, the people at Happsy were so great. I looked at their mattresses. I loved them. They, some of you who know me in real life might be aware, my ex-husband works for a national mattress retailer brand, and so I know a lot about mattresses and mattress construction. And I really wanted one that was built the way that Happsy builds their mattresses, with single inner spring coils and foam on the outside, but I didn't want the toxins that come with traditional mattresses. And one of my friends observed, she was like, I noticed you're getting a new mattress for your 4-year-old and you didn't get one from your ex-husband. And I was like, yeah. He would have given me a really good deal because it's for our kid, but this is the mattress that I wanted. So it came in a box, and beds in boxes are like a thing, right? So I'm always curious like what that's like. So we're gonna open it up together and you guys can watch and we'll kind of see like what's going on with it. So I have 3 boxes. They're over here. This room is really small. So this is gonna be the organic waterproof protector. This one, this is the heavy one. So this must be the mattress. Oh my gosh. Can you see it on here? Okay, so it's big. Here, let me see if I can tilt it down a little bit for you guys. So here it is. So this has the packing stuff on the outside. It says it comes with a special tool for opening up the actual mattress, but I think we just use regular scissors for the box. Yep, okay, that's all that says. So I'm gonna use scissors, and I really wanna be super careful not to cut the mattress. So I'm using scissors instead of a box cutter so that I can really see where the blades are going. And let's see, I'm going to cut the tape. And then now that I've got those cut, I'm going to pull this up so that I can cut it, and I'm not worried about like accidentally slicing something that's underneath. All right, so here it is. It's all coiled up, so I'm going to dump this out. Whoa, Nelly. Okay. All right, so we got that box, put that over here. Okay, so let's see if this comes with any directions. Oh, here, this looks promising. Here's the thing on the outside. Oh, is that a Montessori bed base? That's cool. I ordered it from a local artisan. Isn't that neat? He makes these beds, and they have house-looking ones. And these ones, I just thought it was cool, and I like that it's low. Okay, thank you for your Happsy Mattress and accessories purchase. We want you to have healthier, happier sleep on the mattress that you love. Okay, so this is just information about the warranty, so I'm going to save this, put that over here. Hey, Marissa, thanks for popping in. Okay, so let's see if there's other, oh look, directions. Okay, so this comes with a little opener dealy bobber. That's cool. And it was stuck in here. That seems like a promising place. Oh, it says start here. All right, let's see what this says. Start here. Remove the orange tape. Well, I don't see any orange tape. That's interesting. Okay, what happens after the tape? Remove orange tape. Use the letter opener, that's this thing, to cut a slit in the plastic wrapping. Take care not to cut into fabric cover. Remove tape on the ends of the roll. Remove outer packaging. All right, so here, I'm going to cut the directions out. Oh, maybe I can't. Oh, let's see. So there's a piece of cardboard kind of between the... I'm going to leave it here. I'm going to start on step 2. Use the letter opener to cut a slit in the plastic wrapping, taking care not to cut the fabric. Because that is not what I want to do. Okay. This is wrapped in like multiple layers of like heavy duty plastic. plastic. Ah, this looks cool. Okay, keep going. Okay, we're getting there. This would say neat bed. I know, isn't that bed cool? I got it from a local guy. I'll post the link in there. If any of you guys are local in the Oregon area, you should buy a bed from this guy. It was very affordable. And it's handmade, and I supported a local artisan. It costs less than buying a bed like at IKEA or something. It was awesome. Okay. Warning, contents under pressure. I can like hear the air coming out of it. Okay. Use letter opener, remove tape on the ends of the roll. Okay. I almost want to do this on top of the bed because it's like already starting to expand. Oh. Whew. Just kidding. Remove the outer packaging, releasing the inner roll. Unroll so that it is flat on the floor. I can't tell which way is up or down. Maybe the directions go up. We'll guess. We'll flip it over if I'm wrong, I guess, yeah? Okay. I know, right? So this plastic is actually pretty heavy duty. So I wonder if there's like a useful way you could reuse this. If you needed to put down like a weed barrier in a flower garden, I don't think I would do it in a vegetable garden, but you could maybe use it as a weed barrier. This is some pretty heavy duty plastic. Oh, you know what? I have a tie-dye project coming up. I was gonna go buy a tarp to protect my project from, but I bet I could totally use that. Thanks, Happsy. Okay. What's on the floor? Remove tapes. Use scissors to cut open the plastic and remove. Okay, here's my scissors. Oh, I want to put this up here on the bed, I think. Or flip it up. Can you guys hear all that air coming out? Woo! Look, if I can inflate it. Ah! It's like magic. Look at that. Cool. So now that this is kind of inflated, I can see that it's actually totally upside down. I'll tip it down so you guys can see what I'm doing. There we go. Alright, I'm going to hop over here. This room is so tiny. This bed is like literally half of the room. So trying to work in the other half of the room with a thing that's the size of a bed. It's interesting. Okay. Man, that's so cool. So one of the things, like I mentioned, my ex-husband works for this national mattress retailer. So I spent a lot of time in his mattress store around mattresses, and it smells terrible. It smells like chemicals. And this mattress does not smell like chemicals. It's brand new. It doesn't have that gross chemical smell. I love that. Okay, let's put this up under the bed. Oh yeah, that's totally good. Ha! Look at that. Man, that like inflated super fast. That's cool. It did say that it can take up to 30 minutes to finish inflating. So let's see. Okay, so there's my bed. Get all this plastic out of the way. Cool, I'm totally gonna reuse that plastic too. Does it have an odd smell? It doesn't, you know, so here, I'll smell it really good. It smells like plants. Isn't that funny? It smells almost like, it doesn't smell chemically. So, like I said, have been around a lot of mattresses and they have kind of a gross smell. And my ex-husband, before we got divorced, had bought himself a mattress because we weren't sleeping in the same room anymore, and he bought himself a bed in the box, and it stunk. It smelled so bad. It was not an organic mattress. He bought a crappy chemical one from his company. It was super gross. And this doesn't smell gross at all. I'm like over here and it like smells, it smells like fabric. I've heard that some beds that you buy when they're organic, they smell like a sheep because they've got wool in it, and I'm not getting like a wet sheep smell from it at all. So that's cool. It smells kind of like cotton maybe. Okay. Yeah, you need a king so you can fit all the grandbabies. That's a great idea. They sell king-size mattresses, you know, so if you guys are interested in this bed, I have a link in the description for this video that you can click over to the Happsy website, and if you use the code SPRING200, you'll get $200 off any mattress that you want, and that works for any size. So you could totally get yourself a king-size mattress and save some money on an organic mattress. Okay, so this is the topper. So this is the mattress. I got a topper for it as well, so we're going to go ahead and open that up. And when you buy a mattress from Happsy, you can buy just the mattress, which this, I know this is still inflating. This is actually really comfortable, just sitting on it. I'm going to lay on it really quick. Let's see. I'm a pro at this. I'm a pro at laying down and sleeping. This bed is not uncomfortable. I think maybe if it were my bed, I would totally want the topper. So I actually got the topper, so we can kind of see how this goes. That is a twin size mattress, a regular twin, not an extra long twin, but Happsy does make extra long twins if you wanted an extra long twin. All right, we're gonna open up, this is the topper, which is kind of, it looks like it's rolled up like the mattress, but less heavy. All right, here we go. Ooh. Box over here. I actually needed some giant cardboard for a gardening project, so this worked out great. I love it. Okay, does this one come with directions? Happsy. Let's see. There's no directions on this one. I'm going to use, where to put my scissors? Here they are. Oh man, I'm so nervous about cutting the fabric. Yeah, and this plastic is super heavy duty. You know, I'm not a big fan of plastic waste, but there are literally 0 mattress options that you can get that don't create plastic waste, so that's the thing I'm not going to stress out about. But I'm totally planning on reusing this plastic, so I'm going to... My son really wanted a rainbow ombre comforter, so I bought a white organic comforter, and I'm going to rainbow ombre dye it. I'll probably do a Facebook Live of that this week too. So stay tuned. Okay. Step 1, remove tape. Letter opener. So here's my letter opener. Oh, this came in the mattress. Remove the tape. This is not hard. This is so easy, and I love when DIY projects are easy enough that you don't need like help. Hey, Elizabeth. All right, let's see. Okay, got that one. I'm gonna This is totally usable. So usable. I'm gonna save that. Put that over there. Okay. Let's see. So I've got this mostly unwrapped. Here's my letter opener. Here we go. turn around, looking it. All right, cool. All right, so this is our organic mattress topper. And one of the things that I love about the Happsy organic mattress topper is that the whole thing is organic. There are some companies that sell organic mattress toppers that use regular latex foam, but they put organic cotton on top of it. And I really wanted to have something that was, the whole thing was organic. So I'm really excited about this. And this doesn't smell bad. All the stuff that we've ever gotten from my ex-husband's company like smells bad when you first open it up. This does not smell bad at all. Cool. So look at that. So this just fits on top, and then I'm just going to put the sheets on top of this. This is perfect. I'm going to lay on it. It's still opening. Oh my gosh, it's so comfortable. You guys, I'm so picky. I'm so picky about beds, and this is really comfortable. I would totally sleep on this. I'm going to sleep on this side. Let's see. This is super comfortable. That's awesome. Hi, dog. This is my dog, Lola. Are you checking out my mattress? Yes, thank you. I would totally sleep on this. Yep, this is awesome. So it's not done expanding. It says that it can take up to 30 minutes to expand. Good job. So far it's extra comfortable, and I would totally sleep on this. So I am going to let this finish expanding, and then I'll come back. I'll probably do another live tomorrow to kind of update you guys on how it's going and how my son likes it. He's going to sleep on it tonight, hopefully. He doesn't want to sleep in my bed. He'll sleep in his cool new big boy bed. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you guys are interested, oops, sorry. If you guys are interested in checking out Happsy, click the link that's in the description for the video. That'll show you I got a mattress with a topper. This topper part is extra. I laid on the mattress before the topper was put on it, and the mattress was comfortable by itself, but it's extra comfortable with the topper. I would totally sleep on this myself. This is like a grown-up comfortable. I know some people, they buy their kids mattresses and they're like, I don't know if it needs to be nice enough because like it's not me sleeping on it, but like I would totally sleep on this mattress. Super comfortable. It's organic. It doesn't smell bad. I hate that about new mattresses, that they off-gas, and this one's not. This one doesn't smell bad at all. All the materials are organic. I love this. If you use code SPRING200, you can get $200 off. If you're watching a replay of this video, try the code. I don't know if that'll work later, but today it works. If it's Tuesday and you want $200 off, use SPRING200, click that link, buy yourself an organic mattress, and I will update you guys tomorrow on how the mattress is going, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great night. Bye.